Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to access Snapchat data after a request. First of all, what you have to do is open Snapchat and click on your profile on the top left corner and click on the gear icon. And then on this page, you have to click on the gear icon or the settings icon, which is on the top right corner. And then on this page, you have to scroll down just a bit all the way to the bottom. You have to click on My Data. Then on this page, you have to select the data which is available for download. You can export your memories, chat media, and shared stories, user information. You have to select anything that you want to download. So then you have to click on next button, and then do you want to export data from specific range? I will turn this off. I will try to download all of the data. Now it is asking me to confirm my email address, so I will click on submit. Now your data created on 25 January is in progress. The Snapchat team will email me and let me know that my data is available to download. And what I will do, I will go back to this exact page and there will be a download button. And that's basically how you can access Snapchat data after request. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.